Hey, my Prepper Posse. Putting in windows today that open. So, very excited. Just letting you know what I'm doing. Also going to have them cut the concrete out a little bit so I can stick a paver in here. And I got some pavers to put in, and they're going to go along here. So when it's flooding, we don't have that issue, mud coming in. I've got everything kind of covered and tarped so that when they come inside to take this window out, we don't have a bunch of dust in here. And yes, I did not paint around where because we have to make the window larger. So I didn't paint around it until we get the new window in. Don't be dirty, these guys, I tell you. Don't forget to play. See ya.